Hello, my name is Michaela Davis, and this is my week 5 magazine mass media video. So to start off, I live in a very small town, and I went to a bunch of stores and none of them had magazines. So I looked on Google for magazines, and the one that really stuck out to me was the Women's Health. So out of the race and gender, I picked gender to go with, and women's gender specifically. I just thought race was too controversial, and so the gender one really spoke out to me. So to start off, like I said, I picked the Women's Health because it gives a lot of good information and a lot of good characteristics that are needed for this assignment. So to get started, if I look down, it's because my computer's right here and I have my notes on there. To get started, the characteristics that are being shown within this magazine are that it's targeting women, of course. It's targeting women's fitness, and it's targeting women's strength getting stronger and their health getting a lot better. So I believe that this stands out to a lot of women nowadays, because when the pandemic happened, everybody gained weight and everybody's health kind of went down because they were home all the time and whatever. So now that we're past pandemic, almost, women are trying to get stronger and more fit and to get their health back to the way it used to be. So with that being said, these characteristics are being portrayed by using the lettering that is used. So like on the front cover, there's big bold letters saying your fitness is key. You can get stronger. Here's some ways you can get stronger. It just there's a lot of words on and in the magazine that stand out to women, and those characteristics show the women that they can do this. And there are also beautiful women in the magazine and on this cover. So when I see like a magazine and I'm like, oh, I can look like that person one day if I just do this, if I eat right, if I can do some fitness at home or at work or at my work, in the gym or at my work, I could look like them too, and I will feel beautiful just like them. That's not the case sometimes, but that's how those characteristics are portrayed. So basically it's just the wording and the images that they use within the magazine. Oops. So some wording that I'm saying that's being portrayed by the characteristics is like, no gym required, use this fitness program, or women can change the world if they do this, or just stuff like that can make the eye to a woman get that magazine. So I chose 5 different theories within the book that portray to this magazine, and they're kind of all over the place, but they all relate back to this magazine. So the first one is the social network analysis. Now I read the whole page on the social network analysis, and it makes sense to me to be used within the magazine, because the magazine producers or whoever makes the magazine, really focus to women and what women like and what women will catch their eye. And so they really use their social networking by really getting in and diving into what women like and what they want to see within a magazine. So the social network analysis definition is a tool for measuring and visualizing the structure of social relationships between 2 or more people. So they're not going to just look at one person and say, oh, this is what he or she wants in a magazine, so we'll put it in there. No, they're going to look at thousands and thousands of women and what they like and put that in there, so they'll have different people buy their magazine. The second theory or definition that I have that goes with the magazine is social influence. So social influence means when individuals are part of groups, they are necessarily influenced by other members. So basically, it's like peer pressure. So if I see my friend buying this magazine and she's actually losing weight from doing that, keto or whatever's in that magazine that says no gym required, just do this, and she's actually losing weight, well, I'm gonna go buy that magazine and I'm gonna start reading it and do whatever it tells me in there. So that's like peer pressure because they use specific advertisements and words. So like, for example, another example would be this face cream will take 20 years of wrinkles away off your face in a month or so. And will it really do that? Probably not, but how they word it and how they show like a before of all the wrinkles and then after it's like flawless, that's peer pressure as well and social influence. Or another example would be just go to the gym, and take this supplement and whatever, and they show the side-by-side pictures of when the lady was bigger and then the lady now she's all skinny. So that all shows social influence through the magazines and the ads that are inside the magazine. The next one, the third one that I have is gender. So gender, obviously I picked the gender out of the race and gender. So gender refers to the physical, behavioral, and personality traits that a group considers to be normal, natural, right, and good for its male and female members. This magazine shows gender roles because it's focusing on women, and it's only using women pictures, and it's targeting women by showing them, women can rule the world, or women can do this or that. The fourth characteristic, or the fourth theory or definition I have is cultural change. So cultural change can occur when different groups share the material and non-material culture with each other, a process called cultural diffusion. So it's actually cultural diffusion, not cultural change. So it's basically the same thing. So within this magazine, it's not just one culture it's not just U.S. people. It's people from different cultures everywhere. And so they put that in there in the magazine to show people that there's different cultures out here, and they can explore different cultures within that magazine and how other women live day by day. The last theory that I have is experimental research. So this means that methods are used by social scientists, some who are interested in such issues as group power dynamics, racial discrimination, and gender socialization. So this means that each product that is being advertised within the magazine, say it's a cream, they're gonna have a doctor or a nurse or something to bring that back. Some say best dermatology cream ever, whatever. But this also can be used to see, like, if there's a cream and then there's a sunscreen, this can see what people are gonna buy. Is it what's different about this? Who's gonna buy what? So they can put it in the next magazine. So this concludes my mass media video. I'll attach the pictures, and I hope that you liked it. Bye.